Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. So, throughout the week, you have performed very well. Congratulations. You have done outstanding activities throughout the week. I am Aneela from Multan Public School and College. I'm your math teacher. In this lesson, you will learn about making addition stories and counting in verse 31 to 50. Before starting our today's lesson, let's revise the previous lesson. In this last lesson, we have learned about addition and the ways to add. The addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together. It is the total sum of two or more numbers. For example, we have learned before that 2 plus 1 equals to 3. In an addition sentence, we have learned that the number which will be added are called addends, and the answer by adding these numbers is called a sum. We read it as 7 plus 4 equals to 11. The ways to add are to count on your fingers, or count on with the blocks or the beads or with some other objects. Now, this is your lesson number 2.
Dear students, now open your textbook at page number 26. In this lesson, you will learn about making addition stories. What can you see here in this picture? There are some children playing in the garden, and there are some children who are cycling on the road. So first of all, we will make the addition stories of the children who are playing in the garden. What addition stories can you make from the picture? 3 children are playing with the skipping rope, and 2 children are playing with the kites. So when we will count them all together, how many children are playing in the garden? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are 5 in all. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. We will write 3 here. 3 plus 1, 2. 2 here. And count them all together. 5. There are 5 children playing all together in the garden. Turn on the next page. Now we will make the addition story of the children who are cycling on the road. So, what we will have to do? There are 4 children cycling in front. How many children are at front? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many children now join them? 1, 2. Right here, 4 plus 2. Count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children all together. 6 children are cycling all together. There are 6 children cycling in all. Now turn on the next page. Find the missing numbers. What can you see here in this picture? Wow, there are some goldfish. Beautiful, lovely goldfish in the bowl and in the bag. So we have to count all the goldfishes here. How many goldfish are there in this bowl? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are dash goldfish in the bowl. There are 6, right? 6 here in this block. There are dash goldfish in the bag. 1, 2. Count them and write here 2. So what we have to do, we will make the number stories, addition stories like this. First of all, we have to write 6 here. 6 plus, how many fish are here? 2. When we will count them all together, we will get our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right here 8. There are dash goldfish altogether. There are 8 fish altogether. Now what can you see here in this picture? There are some birds, beautiful, lovely birds. Some birds are flying and some 2 birds are sitting on the branch of a tree. There are dash birds on the branch. How many birds are there on the branch? 1, 2. Write 2 here. Dash more birds, join them on the branch. They are coming and going to sit on the branch. How many are these? 1, 2, 3. 3 more birds. Join them on the branch. So 2 plus 3. Count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 birds altogether. There are 5 birds on the branch now. Dear students,
Okay, now it's practice time. Open your workbook and make the addition stories. Open your workbook at page number 35 and fill in the blanks. There are 4 red crayons and there are 3 yellow crayons. Means 4 plus 3 is equal to dash. Now color 4 crayons and color 4 crayons red and 3 crayons yellow and count them all together. There are dash crayons all together. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 crayons all together. Now how many buttons are there? There are 2 blue buttons. There are 8 green buttons. Color 2 blue buttons and 8 buttons green. Write here 2 plus 8. How many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Write 10 in the block. There are 10 buttons in all. Turn on the next page. How many apples are there? There are 5 apples. 5 apples are red. Color 5 apples as red and 4 apples are green. So you have to color accordingly. Write 5 in the first block and 5 plus 4 in the second block. Count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Write 9. There are 9 apples all together. Now can you see a basket over here? And in this basket there are 2 eggs. Draw 4 more eggs in the basket. Write 2 here in the first block and draw 4 more eggs in the basket and write 4 in the second block. Count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 eggs now. You can see a shirt here and 1 button is there on the shirt. So draw 5 more buttons on the shirt and fill in the blocks. Now we will learn about counting in words 31 to 50. This is 31. THIRTY 30. ONE 1. 31. THIR 30. TWO 32. THIR 30. THREE 33. THIR 30. FOUR 4 34. THIR 30 FIVE 5. THIR 30 SIX 6 36. THIR third, TY 30, SEVEN 7, 37. THIR third, TY 30, EIGHT 8, 38. THIR third, TY 30, NINE 9. Now this 30's family is completed. Now 40 family is started. What's the spelling of 40? FORTY 40. What's the spelling of 41? FORTY 40. ONE 41. 42. FORTY 40. TWO 42. FORTY 40. THREE 3. 43. FORTY 40. FOUR 4. 44. FORTY 40. FIVE 5. 45. FORTY 40. SIX 6. 46. FORTY 40. SEVEN 7. 47. FORTY 40. EIGHT 8. 48. FORTY 40. NINE 9. 49. Now its 40 line is finished. Now we have to write 50. FIFTY 50. So dear students, learn these spellings and write it on your notebook. And your homework is learn counting in words 31 to 50 and do page number 37 and 38 on the workbook. Hope you have learned all the things and you have understood each and everything. Do practice of addition again and again. So we will meet again in the next week inshallah with a more interesting video lesson. Till that time, Allah Hafiz.